So it's taken me way too long to figure out how to bring in entire folders of MOGRTs into Premiere. This is something I've been hoping to do for a while because it's been very tedious trying to find the MOGRTs that I've brought in and scroll through all the options trying to find the right one. And the way I've been doing it is just clicking this button here under Graphics Templates, and that will add one MOGRT at a time. I can't shift select and get more than one. So I've been bringing one in and it's been a pain in the butt. And then finding them after I bring them in is also a pain in the butt. So how do you bring in an entire folder to keep things organized and to save time and effort? Well, turns out it's very easy. You're just going to go under your graphics template to local templates, and you're going to hit the plus button. This will add an entire folder rather than a single MOGRT. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to navigate to wherever I'm keeping that folder. So this time it's on my external drive. Just make sure your external drive is linked up if you want access to them. But yeah, so I'm going to navigate. This is the one I want. I'm going to bring this here and I can select the whole folder. And that will add it to my local templates. And now I can just click on it and I can see all of the options. Isn't that so cool? Beautiful. And I can select two of them to get multiple different options. And also if I want to delete one, like this one, say, I don't even have it connected anymore. It's grayed out. So I'm going to right click over it and then just remove. And you could do that with any of them. You can remove to clean things up a bit. And yeah, then now I can keep my templates all organized. And this has been a game changer for me. I hope it is for you too, and I hope that you found this useful. If you did, check out my playlist in Premiere where I have more like this one. And thanks for watching.